since I have to wash my hair, I have to get these flakes out. I'm just going to lighten my hair while I'm at it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just got home from work and I decided to just film a video real quick, like a hair update and a life update, since it has been a while. It has been 2 weeks since I uploaded a video, and last week was actually the first time I saw Dana in about a month. So since I started working, I haven't really found a balance yet to prioritize work and YouTube. So now I say I'm home alone, and I got home before the sun got down. Well, it's going down now, it's currently setting. So I have a little bit of time to just film a quick video. I feel like bleaching my hair. Just a little bit, like just at the tips at the top. Just to, just to see what it would look like. And because I'm working now, I can't go too loud, I can't be too extra with it. The sun I got down, hold on. So I'm just going to mix the bleach a little weak so that my hair don't come out too light. Let's get started. I'm going to go for the stuff and change my clothes and whatever and start doing my hair. Oh, and I have braces, as you guys can see. If you watch my previous video, then you'll know what all that is about. Alright, so I'm expecting this to be really quick and simple because I'm not trying to get any perfect color. I did this hairstyle on Sunday and my hair is snowing. I use Beautiful Textures Curl Definer Styling Custard. I'm not sure what the formula in this thing is. However, it smells really good and it curled my hair really nice. But like after like the first day, my hair starts snowing, and my hair don't usually flake that much. And the reason why I say snowing is because it's not 1 and 2 flakes, it's a lot of flakes, and it just to the point where people asking me about it at work. Since I have to wash my hair, I have to get these flakes out. I'm just going to lighten my hair while I'm at it. So for those of you who don't know, in school I studied dental lab technology, and I started working on March 26th as a orthodontic assistant. Yeah, so I'm thankful that I got this job, and I've always wanted to be in the field of orthodontics. Like, I started watching Alyssa Forever because of her braces vlogs, and actually a lot of people on YouTube, I started watching them because they have braces vlogs. So I don't know why I have this obsession with perfectly aligned teeth, whether it is through orthodontics or dentures. I'm just obsessed with perfectly aligned teeth. So I'm actually happy that I got a job in my field. But yeah, I'm actually loving it so far. I actually love the environment and the people I'm around. Same way how I would define my curls, that's how I'm adding the bleach. I'm just picking up some curls and twirling the ends of it. I don't want to bleach too much of my hair, and I'm actually using the viewfinder to do my hair because I trust myself that much. So let's see. I trust that it will turn out good, and if it don't turn out good, I just cut it off. Alright. About my hair now, I do my hair once a week, but I just coil the frizzy pieces when necessary. Like last week, I actually had my hair for 2 weeks without restyling it, without washing it, because all I did was just coil the frizzy pieces like every other day or so, and it turned out fine. because I'm working now, I don't have time to really be doing my hair every 2 or 3 days. So I try to do my hair in such a way that I won't need to be doing it so often, because I don't want to be late for work and I don't want my hair to be taking up too much of my time. It don't even look like it's changing, but it's bleached, so it must color. Actually, go look in the mirror if I see any patch and finish coiling it with the bleach and let it sit for a while so it can lighten, and then that will be it. Nothing too extra, nothing too fancy. Okay guys, I'm back and it's actually day 2. I don't know if you call this day 1 hair or day 2 hair because I already slept on it. So maybe it's day 1.5 hair. And this is what it's looking like. I didn't make it too light, as you can see, because one, I didn't have any backup color. I didn't want it to be too bright or too loud for work. So I just mixed it very weak and left it in my hair. I eventually plan to go over it again, probably when I'm ready to wash my hair again. I'll bleach it again so that it can get gradually lighter, because they say when you want to go blonde you should take it in increments, take it in small steps. So I don't know, I'm trying something different this time, so hopefully it works. So let me show you guys a close-up look of my hair. And as you can see, my curls are extremely defined and nothing has changed. Yes, I have alopecia. I don't grow hair right here. Same on the other side. I do not grow hair on the sides of my head. But anyway, I have a video on how I do my hair like this. It's the same way how I always do it, and I try to let it last me for a long time. So if you guys want an update on how I do my hair and how I let it last me for, like, the last time I had it for up to 2 weeks. I kept my hair for 2 weeks without washing it. I mean, it was frizzy, but it wasn't that bad. It could have wear still, it could have gone. But this, to get it looking like this, you have to do it every 3 days, every 4 days, and you have to ensure that you barely touch it. But for my hair, that is, because my hair is very frizzy. So you have to ensure that you barely touch it and sleep with a satin cap always, and just if you need to, don't add any water to it. Just crunch some oil in it like every other day and it will stay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this update. You can tell me whatever it is that you want to know, whatever it is that you want to see, and I will answer you guys' questions. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.